Do you ever feel like the world's zooming past you with all this online stuff, but your knowledge could steal the show? Let's unpack that right now. Hang tight because we've got a big aha moment from our free training coming up. It's your ticket to jumping in, and trust me, you'll want to hear this. Okay, let's sit down for a minute and chat like we're sharing coffee or tea or your pick. The world's changing fast, and it's not just the youngsters making waves. People out there are hungry for what you know. The stuff you've picked up over the years of living, working, or just figuring things out. Think about it. Online courses, ebooks, memberships, coaching. It's all flying off the digital shelves. And here's the kicker. Someone already is searching for exactly what's in your head. Maybe it's how you've nailed budgeting through tough times, or the way you've kept a gardening thriving when no one else could and they gave up. But here's where it gets real. Starting can feel like stepping into a whole new universe. Sometimes tech is like learning a secret handshake that you didn't get the memo for. I know you know what I'm talking about. Turning your wisdom into something people can grab online, that's a brain teaser. And getting in front of the right audience, well, that's the $1,000,000 question, literally. But don't let that stop you because you're not alone in this. We've been brewing something special since last spring, actually called the Digital Gold Rush Cash In or Miss Out. It's a free training made for people just like you, with a lifetime of know-how, who want to share it without the hassle. No tech degree needed, no fancy jargon, just plain simple steps to get your brilliance out there. And in just a moment, you're getting a taste of that from the expert. And I mean you, stepping up with the good stuff. It's all tied to our Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership, where we dig into how to create, sell, and market your knowledge on our automated platform. So let's spark some curiosity. Here's a slide from our training called The Digital Economy is Booming. Are you ready to roll?
Over the last few years, the world has been shifting. Digital products are one of the fastest growing industries today. People are buying online courses, ebooks, memberships, coaching programs, and you have the knowledge that someone is already searching for. The question is, will they buy from you or someone else?
Whoa! Doesn't that just hit you right in the curiosity bone? It's got me thinking too. See, the world's wide open right now. And all of those online courses, ebooks, and coaching programs, they're not just for the tech savvy 20 somethings. They're for us, people like us, folks who have lived a little, learned a lot, and have something amazing to share. And that question you just heard, will they buy from you or someone else? That's the spark we want to light under you today. Our free training, Digital Go Rush Cash In or Miss Out, is your next step. It's packed with more eye-openers like this to help you get your knowledge online. No overwhelming required. It's linked in the description below, and it's totally free to jump in. We built it for people like us with years of wisdom to give. And it's all about making this digital shift feel doable. In Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership, you'll learn how to create, sell, and market the knowledge on our automated platform. But the free training is where it all starts. So don't let someone run off with your spotlight. Click the link below, sign up, and let's get your expertise out there where it belongs. Oh, and if you're loving this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video because you're just getting warmed up.